So in the last video, we took a look at what are regular Spanish verbs, and this is part 1, mind you. And basically, if you think about it, there are like 4 rules that we need to remember, uh, which um, which would help us in determining what subject what subject verb to use, right? So for instance, let's try to look for pattern. So we look for pattern. So wherever you see pattern, that's where it tells you, right? I mean, what is the rule, so to speak? So yo hablo, yo como, yo vivo. So which would mean that you conjugate it by dropping the ending and add an O. So so for instance here, I mean, yo como, yo hablo. So hablar is the original verb, right? And you drop the ending, so you drop AR and you add O to it. So you drop the ending and add O to it. So comer, you drop ER and add O, drop IR, add O. And in terms of usted, you would drop the ending and add either an A or an E. And in the verb is an AR, verb add an A. The verb is an ER or IR, verb add an E, right? So I mean, it definitely looks a little intimidating if you look if you try to remember all the rules. So I think that we should be spending maybe 1 or 2 videos or lessons in this, just to reinforce the concepts, so to speak. So the third one is so there's the second one, usted. So one is yo, one is usted. The third one is nosotros, right? So nosotros hablamos. Obviously you can see the trend here, that's emos, 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 amos. So it's either amos or emos. And the fourth one is the fourth one would be ustedes, right? So in that case you would be adding AR, I mean removing AR and adding A, and removing ER, adding A. So obviously these concepts are very fundamental in terms of learning conjugation and for subject verbs. So I think it is imperative that we spend some time on this particular lesson on regular verbs. So just so that we can make sure that our foundations are strong, and we can build on top of the foundations. So in the next video we'll again continue on this very lesson, right? Just make sure we understand each and every rule there is on this, and let's see how it goes. So until then, see you next time.